Welcome back to our channel. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and if you're planning on traveling across America to celebrate the holiday, we've got you covered with insider tips for an unforgettable trip. So grab your passport and let's get turkey trotting across America. First stop, New York City. Experience the iconic Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, where colossal balloons and mesmerizing floats take over the streets. And don't forget to visit the Rockefeller Center, where the famous Christmas tree lighting ceremony will fill you with holiday cheer. Next, head down south to New Orleans, where Thanksgiving gets a deliciously unique twist. Savor the flavors of Creole cuisine, from mouthwatering gumbo to spicy jambalaya. And of course, no visit to the Big Easy is complete without experiencing the lively music scene on Bourbon Street. If you're seeking a touch of history, why not visit Colonial Williamsburg in Virginia? Step back in time and immerse yourself in the atmosphere of an 18th century Thanksgiving celebration. From traditional feasts to historical reenactments, you'll feel like you've traveled back in time. For nature lovers, make your way to Colorado's Rocky Mountains. Discover breathtaking landscapes as you hike through snow-capped peaks and witness stunning fall foliage. And if you're feeling adventurous, try your hand at skiing or snowboarding. Finally, make your way to California's Napa Valley for a Thanksgiving celebration, surrounded by vineyards and wineries. Indulge in wine tasting, gourmet meals, and stunning panoramic views. It's the perfect way to relax and unwind after a busy holiday season. So there you have it, folks. Turkey trotting across America, with insider tips for your Thanksgiving travel. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite destination, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy Thanksgiving!